Now, your competitor is no longer a human.
Yeah.
But an alien. So ngayon, anong threat? Number one, voiceover is dead. Mark my word. Talent agency na sinasabi sa tao, huwag niyong magalingan kasi masyadong AI. So lagyan niyo ng konting mali para magmukhang tao. Ano ibig sabihin nun? AI setting standards? Mark my word. The version 4 of 11 Labs is perfect. Trust me.
Grabe.
You'll never feel that it's an AI. I'll give them until 2030. Lahat ng recording studio sarado. Mark my word. Lahat ng ad agency sarado if they will not adopt AI.
Hi everyone, this is Jerry Ilaw, co-founder of Ulearn and Tarky, and welcome to Ulearn Insights, where we distill business strategies and tech into bite-sized learning. I'm still here with the voice master Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez. Hi, Choy!
Hello, yes. Welcome once again.
So kanina, pinag-usapan natin yung journey ni Choy kung paano siya naging the voice master of the Philippines, and also ano yung mga shinare niya, yung mga advocacies, especially yung creative voices which has created maybe thousands of voice actors. So in this episode, we'll talk about AI voice acting naman. So because AI is evolving very fast, and ngayon merong AI voice actor, voice actress, no? And you're pioneering work in AI voice through 11 Labs.
Yeah. So as you know, I've been with the industry for almost 30 years now. So 1996, 2005 na. So isang taon na lang. 3 dekada na ako. Again, I saw the transition of technology. You know, the technology changed but not the culture. That's the problem. Diba? Yung attitude ng mga tao. You know, always the same old people there. So how can you change a system even the technology is changing? So hindi talaga, hirap silang mag-change kasi, di ba, sabi ko nga, AI is not the enemy but the complacency. So complacent sila lagi dun sa kung anong meron at alam nila. So when you put change or you introduce a change, magiging reactive sila dyan. Hindi sila receptive dyan. Until now. So 20 years ago when I started Creative Voices, against na sila agad eh. Kasi, ay, may bago. Baka you're creating our competitors. Now, your competitor is no longer a human.
Yeah.
But an alien. So, now, that alien can create his own. Parang, kumbaga, either you accept it or it destroys you. Diba? So, saan ka doon? Siyempre lagi ako sa change eh.
Yeah.
I'm a visionary, I'm a futurist. So, I can see what will happen in the next 2 years. Kasi, I'm one of the beta testers ng maraming mga AI programs. So, before pa i-launch sa public yan, nagamit ko na yan. Especially with ChatGPT. 2 years before na i-launch yan ng 2023, nung November 2023, I still remember, nag-AI na ako noon eh. Naalala mo yung Jasper.ai.
Jasper, yes.
Yan yung original ChatGPT. So, ibig sabihin, yung Jasper 10 years ago ko pa ginagamit yan. So, nandiyan na rin, di ba yung meron tayong tinatawag na Grammarly.
Yeah, Grammarly. Yeah.
Still, it's the same principle. So, ngayon, since nabagamit ngayong mga GPT 1, 2, nakita ko, wow, grabe. I can see something will happen. Mara kang si Iron Man. Diba? Ito nga, ang definition ko dyan sa AI, tayo si Tony Stark.
Yeah.
Diba? Without the iron suit, which is the computer, and without Jarvis, which is the AI, ibig sabihin ng Jarvis, just another rather very intelligent system. So, sino si Tony Stark? He's just a human. Walang power. May talino, but he cannot do anything. And because of technology, I saw that we are all like Iron Man.
Yeah.
But what kind of Iron Man ka? Dark or, di ba? Good. So you have to choose. Ngayon, sabi nga, garbage in, garbage out. gold in, gold out. So, anong klaseng tao tayo? Doon nagre-reflect na ang AI pala is just a magnifier of who we are.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are our AI.
Yeah, napakaganda nun. In terms of voice acting, paano change yung for those na hindi pa alam ngayon yung technology?
Sige. Okay. When we introduce 11 Loves version 1, it's just a plain narration. It cannot act. Just, AI yan. You can identify. May mga nuances, intonation na AI. AI yan. Halatang halata. Kumbaga, pangit pa.
Yeah.
Sino ba nagsimulang magaling? Since ang AI kasi, every time may pula ka dyan or may sinasabi kang hindi maganda, i-correct niya yan. So, the more na may negative kang feedback sa AI, the more siyang natututo.
Okay.
Unlike yung tao, tumitigas na nga ulo. Di ba? Lalo na mga politiko. Pero AI hindi. Sabihan mo minsan yan, tama na yan mamaya. Kahit si ChatGPT, correct mo yan, sasabihin, I'm sorry. Now I know. So from now on, I will say this. Di ba? Kumbaga, remember this. Ang tao nakakalimot eh. So doon palang talo na ang tao. So version 2, umaarte na siya. Version 3, aba. Yan na yung ginagamit ngayon sa VO3, version 3. Kaya umaarte siya. Yung VO3 ng Google. Yan yung, kumbaga, collaboration din nila yan eh. So think about it. What about in the next years to come? Mag-version 10.
Yeah.
Tinalon ko na ng ganun kalayo. The only thing that AI cannot do is the human emotions. You cannot, kumbaga, hindi mo pwedeng i-AI yan or gawing digital. Kasi nandun yung soul eh. But, when someone like me, na my soul, my heart, my love, put my data in AI, it will have a heart, it will have a soul. Naipasa ko eh. Kaya lahat ng AI voice ko umaarte. So ngayon, anong threat? Number 1, voiceover is dead. Mark my word. Anything repetitive, like, thank you for calling, mga narrative, or welcome to Philippine Airlines. Ayan, totally. AI can do it better than the original voice.
Yeah. Pati yung explanation ng safety features ng airplane.
Ay, ginawa ko yan. Nako, kung alam mo lang. Anyway, meron akong pinrank gamit yung ganun. Eto pa. Ngayon, nakakatawa. May pinost ako eh. May isang talent agency na sinasabi sa tao, huwag niyong magalingan kasi masyadong AI. So, lagyan niyo ng konting mali para magmukhang tao. Ano ibig sabihin nun? AI setting standards? Para lang magmukha kang human, magkamali ka? Anong klaseng analogy yun?
Yeah.
Because AI is winning. Anong gagawin ng tao? Magkamali para lang, ay, tao to, nagkamali eh. Paano ko sabihin ko kay AI, magkamali ka rin para talunin mo yung tao? Mag-aam ka, magaganon ka, yung kwari na nag-stutter ka. Anything that human do or does, AI can do it better. Because it's like, isang tao lang naman yung voice talent yan eh. But AI has millions of data of different voices, not just voice talent, voices of people. Kasi part ako sa nagki-create ng, meron kaming ginagawa. I'm with Outlier and also Micro One. So, dinidetect namin. Every single second, point of a second na mali. Or ito yung dapat gawin. Or halimbawa sa Outlier, gumagawa kami ng conversational AI.
Yeah. So,
makikipag-usap siya. So, pati yung mali, pati yung mga ganun-ganun, kinakapture niya na yan. Mark my word. The version 4 of 11 Loves is perfect. Trust me.
Grabe.
You'll never feel that it's an AI. It's far better than any human being combined in human history.
Yeah, grabe. So for businesses no na ganito ng technology, ano yung mga simpleng examples on how they can use this technology for their business?
First of all, advertising agency are dead. Recording studio will die. Why? If I am the owner, if I am a businessman, or for example, kasi kaya lang naman nag-exist pa yung mga agencies because meron pa silang relationship yung matatanda. But when you change the generation now, na nag-accept na ng change, lahat yan bagsak, lahat yan magko-close. Mark my word. I'll give them until 2030. Lahat ng recording studio sarado. Mark my word. Lahat ng ad agency sarado if they will not adopt AI. May if pa naman. So meron pa silang chance ngayon. But I doubt. Bakit? They earn from the talents eh. Pinagkakakitaan ng mga recording studio, yung mga voice talent. For example, ako, voice talent ako, alam ko yan eh. 30 years akong alam. O, kuwari, ikaw yung agency, may recording studio. Sabi ni recording studio, di ba, ang tanong mo, magkano yung pag-voice talent mo sa particular brand? For example, Bibo Hotdog, boses ko. 1 million. Ano yan? Voice over, character voice. Okay, done. 1 million. Usap kayo ni agency, recording studio. Recording studio, ay, Pochola, ikaw napili. Okay. Kanta ako ngayon. Pape, Bibo, bagong Bibo. Anong sekreto ng bagong Bibo? Tikman mo. Yan, commercial. May billions ang kinita ng Bibo Hotdog dahil sa akin. Tanungin mo, magkano talent fee ko? Sa usapan nila. Ay, wag mo na itanong. Kumita na kasi ang may-ari, yung mga board member nila, lahat na, bago ako kumita. So, wag ko na lang banggitin. But come to think of it, tinanggal mo lahat yun. Ang sinasabi ko lang, si agency nawala na. Si recording studio nawala na. Si agency may kliyente, Bibo Hotdog. Sabi nung marketing niya, ba't pa ako kukuha ng ahensya? Ba't pa ako si ahensya, bakit pa kukuha ng recording studio ng talent? If I can just put the script there and use that voice and then generate, mas magaling pa dun sa nagboses. Tapos na laban. Real talk lang. And it's happening right now, all around the world.
And it's good news no for business owners kasi that means if you need voices no for your advertisements, for your brand, pwede ka nang makatipid. Gagamitin mo na lang yung mga platforms available.
Wala na eh. Either of the two, kumuha ka ng voice talent na may attitude, na mukhang pera, na paulit-ulit, gamit na gamit. Ito pa, AI doesn't need any voice talents anymore. Why there is so-called voice designer.
Wow. Grabe.
Voice designer is like parang recreating, generating an imaginary character.
Imaginary character.
So, dati kasi kailangan mo pa magpa-audition ng mga particular voice. Matanda. O kailangan matanda yung boses. So ngayon, sabi mo lang kay 11 Labs, kay voice designer, create an old man, British accent, stuttering, and it will create that kind of voice without even using any human. So itong mga voice talent group na nagrarally, how can you go against it? Na wala ng reference na tao, maliban sa it creates its own character from nothing.
Grabe. So ano yung future ng AI voice acting?
Okay, the good thing about voice acting, hindi siya mawawala.
Okay.
Especially as ang dami kong dubbing projects ngayon. Mas marami pa akong project ngayon kaysa nung ako ay voice talent. Sobra. As it multiplies 100 folds.
Grabe. So, bakit?
Simple lang. Nawala yung masasamang ugali ng mga voice talent. Yung mga pasaway, mga mukhang pera, tinanggal ko. Eto kasi, since I can create a character voice, I don't need to get another voice talent to voice that.
Okay.
Diba?
Tama.
Ako na magboboses. May tinatawag ngayong speech-to-speech.
Anong ibig sabihin?
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung Pandora's box. I will open it now.
I don't need to create this voice because I have another character voice.
Parang kumbaga pipindutin mo lang. Voice 1, kid. Boom! Aarte ako. Mami, ano pong ginagawa nyo dyan? Tapos, pag pag-process niyan,
Mami, ano pong ginagawa niyo dyan?
Tapos na laban.
Grabe.
Sa mga nakikinig, paano yon? Kami lang nakakaalam. Hindi ko pa muna i-share yan. Siyempre, marami mawawala ng trabaho, lalo na yung mga mukhang perang voice talent. Kawawa.
Grabe. So, ano yung advice mo sa, dun sa gusto mag-voice acting?
Yes.
Oo.
Actually, ang i-develop nila, yung acting skills nila.
Okay.
Dahil the only thing na hindi ma-AI, yung acting.
Yung acting.
Hindi talaga yan. Ako mismo maaamin sa'yo na sobrang fascinated, sobrang love ko ang AI. Tawag mo, AI is my savior, but it cannot do voice acting. Like, well, hindi niya, kasi wala nga siyang puso. Hindi siya tao. But voice over, tapos na laban.
Okay.
Kasi ano yan repetitive yan Bili na, salamat. But thank you for calling PLDT. Mga ganon. So, iisa ang intonation yan. So, AI knows kung paano i-deliver. Iisa. But acting, paiyakin mo nga ang AI. No, he cannot. Patawanin mo nga AI. Hindi. Wala siyang emosyon kasi hindi niya nararamdaman. Yung nararamdaman ng tao. At hindi mawawala yung connection ng tao through human emotions. And the only human in AI is the human voice. Tanggalin mo yung human voice yan. Digital lahat yan. Robot yan. Walang... Kaya tayo nakaka-relate sa AI is because of the human emotions. At hindi yan mawawala kahit kailan. At kahit bilangin billions of years, hindi kayang umiyak, tumawa, at maging totoong tao. Kasi ang tao lang ang may kaluluwa, tao lang ang may puso.
Very, very well said. Ayun, so ang dami nating natutunan ulit dito sa episode na to na pinag-usapan natin yung AI voice acting. Ano yung capabilities ngayon? So sinasabi nga ni Choi na in the 11 Labs na model, the next model, sobrang mas magaling pa. But as it is ngayon, I'm using it, amazed na ako. So you just put in yung text, di ba? Tapos mag-generate na siya ng audio. You don't need mga, recording pa, etc.
Hindi, tsaka Brother Jerry, may gagawin pa tayo Mas magandang lalabas na boses mo next time.
Yes.
Kasi, kasi maganda dito sa AI voice acting, meron pa ring directing kung paano mo i-deliver. Para pag generate mo siya, as if you are really speaking the way you speak.
Okay.
And in a recording quality studio.
Yeah, yan. Excited ako, Chan. Kasi syempre yan, hindi matatawaran. Close to 30 years.
Yeah.
Diba? So, hindi mo matatawaran yung experience na yan. In the next episode natin, pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga 5 must-have AI tools na nire-recommend ni Pocholo, so for SME. So, again, thank you so much for watching. This is Jerry Ilaw, co-founder of Ulearn and Tarki, saying, if learning is not your priority, don't expect change. See you in the next video.